Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix apps crashing issue on iPhone after iOS 16.4.1 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, update your apps. Ensure that all your apps are up to date. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve app stability. Open the App Store. Go to the profile icon in the right corner, scroll down and update all your apps here. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches that may be causing the app crashing. So press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this, the next solution is clear app cache. Some apps store temporary data that can cause issues. Clearing the app cache can help resolve problems. However, not the all apps provide an option to clear cache. To clear cache for the apps, to do allow it. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So scroll down and tap on any app and tap on offload app to clear the cache. So tap on reinstall app. So guys, after this, the next solution is disable background app refresh. Background app refresh allows apps to refresh their content in the background, which can sometimes lead to instability. To disable this feature, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap here and tap to turn this off. And then after this, the next solution is free up some storage. Space can cause apps to crash. So check if your iPhone has enough free storage. You can go to the settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So I have a lot of storage free on my iPhone. And then after this, the next solution is, and the last solution is reset all settings. If the app crashes presets, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.